Welcome to this video, where we will dive deep into a problem involving template parameter packs in C++. In this problem, we encounter some discrepancies in behavior between different compilers when expanding template parameter packs into nested template declarations. This can be quite puzzling and lead to confusion, especially when trying to understand what the standard expects in such situations. Now, let's delve into the solution for this problem. According to the standard specifications, when using a template parameter pack in a nested template declaration, the T value syntax signifies a non-type template parameter pack and a pack expansion. This means that the pack T will be expanded in the declaration of apply based on the template arguments provided. Therefore, the behavior exhibited by Clang, where the pack expansion is correctly handled, aligns with the expected standard interpretation. In summary, understanding how template parameter packs are expanded in nested template declarations is crucial for ensuring consistent behavior across different compilers. By following the guidelines set by the C++ standard, we can harness the full power of template metaprogramming while avoiding potential pitfalls and inconsistencies. I hope this explanation has shed some light on the intricacies of template parameter packs in C++. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment for more content.